So you guys could see right here on my screen, this is the amount of 50,000 naira right here on my screen, and this money was made today right now, and I just withdraw a sum of 30,000 naira on my screen right now to tell you guys you could really make money from this website I'm about to show you. You could see my name up here right now. So this money was made on one of the websites I'm gonna be teaching you guys in this video. I'm gonna be showing you guys the website.
So guys, I hope you guys saw the earnings on my screen right now. So right now I'm going to be driving into the video right now to teach you how I made that money. Right now, the first thing you need to do right now is to pick a product you want to sell. You need to choose a product to sell online. Like I said, you could sell different kind of products online. You could decide to sell courses, you could decide to sell softwares, you could decide to sell an ebook. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to be focusing on selling an ebook because that was how I was able to make the money I showed you guys on my screen. And I know you guys may be thinking, okay, I don't know how to write an ebook. Don't worry, I've got you covered, because in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to get the ebook for free, how to market and sell this ebook effectively. So all I just want you to do right now is to stay with me. Do not skip any of this video. So right now, in order to get this ebook for free, all you need right now is to go over to a website called Free PLL Downloads. Just go over to your Chrome browser and type in Free PLL Download. So you're gonna see it's gonna be the first website that's gonna pop up on your screen. Just click on the website. It's gonna take you to the official website right now. And once you are on the official website, there are a lot of books you could decide to download. You could decide to sell to start making money online for yourself. So guys, I want you guys to really take your time to pick a book that you think your people or the people you really want to sell this book to will be interested in. So I want you to take your time to pick a book that people would be interested in. And remember, this book that you're going to be downloading must be able to solve problem or provide valuable information to those people are going to selling the ebook for. Like I said, don't worry, I'm going to be teaching you how to market this ebook. So the ebook you are going to be downloading on this website must be valuable. Once you pick a book that is valuable or provide information that is very good, this is going to help you sell more copies and make more. So now we're going to be moving up to the step 2, which is to set up your payment gateway. So you need to set up the website you're going to be selling the ebooks on. And I know you guys may be thinking, okay, how am I going to do that? Don't worry, I got you covered, because right now I'm going to be teaching you a website you could use to set up your payment gateway that you could accept payment from your client right now. So the platform I'm going to be using right now is called paystack.com. All you need right now is to head over to the paystack.com right now. You're going to see the platform right here. This is paystack.com. All you need right now is to go over to the account right now, create an account for yourself. It is simple to set up. Just click on the website. This is the official website. Just click on create free account for yourself. So once you click on create free account for yourself, it's going to take you to a place where you could fill out your information. So make sure you fill out your information, fill out your first name, your last name, your email address. And guys, I'm not going to be walking you through on how to create an account on Paystack. So if you really want a full tutorial on how to create an account and how to upload your ebook to Paystack, I'm going to advise you check out other YouTube videos that's going to teach you how to do that, because I don't want this video to be long. So right now I'm going to be skipping that part. Right now I'm going to assume you already created an account. So right now let me show you what's next to do. So once you already created an account on Paystack, this is how your account is going to look like. So the first thing you need to do right now is to set up your payment gateway. That is where you're going to be accepting payment. That's how you're going to be selling this ebook. So you need to set up a website that people could click on and purchase this ebook. And not to do that right now, just go over to the product section right here. You're going to see at the down corner of the Paystack account, just click on add product. So once you click on the product, it's going to take you to a place where you could add your products. And yeah guys, it's going to load up. Let's wait for it to load up right now. Let's just wait for it. And yeah guys, it's done loading. So just click on add product right now. You can see I got a lot of products I'm selling right now on Paystack. So once you click on add product, it's going to take you to a place where you could put in the product name, that is the book name, the description, and you could put in the price. Like I said, so if you know you want a full and detailed tutorial on how to set up your products on Paystack, I would advise you check out other YouTube videos that's going to teach you how to do that, because I'm want to be walking you through on how to do that. I don't want the video to be long, but if you know you want me to create a video, just go down to the comment section, drop me a comment. Then if I see a lot of comments saying yes, and I'm going to drop the video. So all you need right now is to put in your product name, the description, and put in the price. So once you put in the price and you have already set up everything, let me show you how your book is going to look like once you already set up your payment payment method. So guys, you can see right here, this is one of my ebooks on Paystack right now. You can see this is the title, this is the cover, this is the description right now. So once you scroll down right now, all you need right now is to send this link to your customer, so they'll be able to pay for the book. And once they pay for the book, you're gonna make money. And I know you guys may be thinking, okay, how am I going to market this ebook? So this is going to be taking us to the step 3 of this video, which is to market your ebook effectively. So now we are focusing on getting people to buy your ebooks. So like I said, there are different and few strategies you could use to sell your ebook effectively. So the number one effective method to sell your ebooks is to join Facebook group related to the ebooks or the topic of the ebook you are selling. So you need to make sure you engage with your community, with the people on Facebook group, make connection with them before promoting your ebook. So you need to build a relationship that's going to be helpful to make people trust you and make people trust you to be able to buy from you. You need to increase your chance of making a lot of sales. So in order to start selling this ebook, you need to make sure people trust you, because if people don't trust you, they are not going to buy from you. People only buy from those they trust. So you need to make sure you build that trust to your audience. You need to make sure you build that trust from your audience. So once your audience trusts you, once these people on this group trust you, they will be able to buy your ebook. So the second method you could use by running Facebook ads. So once you run Facebook ads, you'll be able to reach wider audience, make more money. So in order to send up a converting Facebook ad that's going to make you more money, I would advise you check out other YouTube videos specifically about that. So if you don't know how to set up a Facebook ad that's going to convert, that's going to make you a lot of sales, I would advise you check out other YouTube videos that's going to explain that in detail. So these guys are going to guide you through the process and help you create the Facebook ad that's going to work and convert. So right now, I want you to remember, you need to make sure you target your target audience related to the book. For example, if you are promoting a health book, a book related to health, you need to target people that are interested in health, like people on how to lose weight, all this kind of stuff. You need to target those that are interested in health or who are in the health niche. Make sure you target the right audience related to your book. So you need to make sure the audience you are targeting, they are those audience that are really interested in your book. So once you target the right audience, they're going to buy from you. So that is how I was able to make that amount of money you guys saw on my screen. So guys, by using this strategy I've just mentioned right now, you could get a lot of people, a targeted audience that are interested in your books. They're going to buy from you and increase your chance of making a lot of sales if you could target the right audience. Guys, I'm going to wish you guys good luck.
So guys, if you want more ways on how you could literally make money online on your phone, I would advise you check out the link in the description right now to go get my course and my training. So if video is going to be popular right here, teaching you how to make money. So guys, let's go.